Hi, this is Lisa from Monarch Butterfly Land Saving Society in Los Angeles, California. I wanted to add more thought to my program of a group in the deserts and hopefully eventually the whole earth and the not so deserts, putting out taking care of the wildlife in our own backyards and forming a network of backyard environmentalists to help reclaim the earth from desertification, deforestation, drought, soil degradation, poverty, even war, because if we have riches all over the earth, there'll be no need for people who have nothing to fight against people who seem to have everything. I think it's the answer to everything. A healthy land leads to a healthy and wealthy man. So I just wanted to say in my program of tending to the animals in your own backyard by doing the simple things I've discussed in my earlier video, if you would also take the time to measure and report on and study just in casual checking now and then any results that may occur. If you notice there are changes in the vegetation or the greenery or the flowers or the soil or the air is cooler or more moist or there's rainfall, I wish you would write it down in a book and put a date by it as to when it changed from when you put up the bird feeder or the nectar feeder or the bird bath, and when you saw a change in anything, whether it be the ground or the air or the temperature or any rain. And I wish you'd make a note of it. And then also, if you have a camera phone, start taking pictures of flowers or things that have developed, or greener trees or fuller trees, or just birds if you can get the pictures of the birds. And we've caught pictures of new birds nests in Kenya, huge numbers of birds nests. I wish you would record these in notes on paper and also take pictures with your camera phone, because then I can put together a book with all the changes in each person's backyard and all the changes in each desert region, and outreaching from there any other regions on the earth who get involved. Eventually, I plan to put this book together showing pictures, maybe family names, showing what they did, what they saw, what they experienced as far as their entire ecosystem, which means the entire earthly environment from the floor up to the roof, including all life that exists in between, and everything you might see changing, including the climate, the life, the plants, the ground, the rock, anything. And then with pictures and notes, detailed notes with dates, I can put together a book which documents what we've done and shows if we have been successful, which will be important later because we might want to show that to governments where we live and show them what we've done, and then have a supportive background stability, which will be sure to keep such a thing in place in various countries and lands, because we don't want anything we've developed to then fall apart later. If we have a book and it's in the hands of many people, that helps, but it also helps if we can give it to our leaders, who can then make sure these become programs in place in our governments. So please make sure to keep track of everything. I think when you see the families and the faces and the birds and the bees and the animals and all the nice changes in the environment in a picture book with notes of what's happened, it'll be a very interesting thing to look at. Thank you.